Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Ford Explorer windshield wipers. First, make sure you have the correct replacement wiper blades for your vehicle. You'll also want a soft towel to protect your windshield. Begin by gently lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Then, look closely at the wiper arm where it connects to the blade. Now, to remove the old blade, you'll typically find a small tab or button on the underside of the wiper arm's connector. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism. Once released, slide the old wiper blade straight down or away from the arm's hook. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up into the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, making sure it rests properly. After installing both new wiper blades, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to activate the wipers. Observe their movement to ensure they make full contact with the glass and clear water effectively without streaking. This confirms proper installation and optimal visibility. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.